Good morning, students. This is our math class. Today we are going to do the area of parallelogram and their related problems, and also area of triangles. The so you have to open here 14.2 from your book of maths, and then we are going to start this area of parallelogram and triangles. Area of parallelogram. Firstly, we are going to do the sum on area of parallelogram. Here is the diagram. This is given, and in the parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel also. In this diagram, here is base of this parallelogram is 3 centimeter, and then height of this is 5 centimeter. Now we need to find the area. Area of parallelogram equals to base into height. This is the formula which we are using. This thing is called the base and this is the height. Height means perpendicular made on the side. Okay, and then here is base in this diagram 3 and height is 5, and you know that 3 5s are 15, and in area we are using the square unit, so area of parallelogram is 15 centimeter square. If you have given any statement, any number is there, then you need to multiply. You need to find which is base, which is height, and you need to multiply, then you will get the area of the parallelogram. Now if we have to find the area of triangle, what is the difference in area of triangle and parallelogram? In the parallelogram, this is the shape of parallelogram. We have two triangles joined, and parallelogram area is base into height. But if we cut them in equally two triangles, it will left half into base into height, half this side, half this side. So this is the relation between area of parallelogram and area of triangle. Means area of triangle is half into base into height. If we are complete any triangle, it will make the parallelogram. So according to that, we can remember the formulas for area of rectangle and parallelogram. In this triangle, here is base, that is 12, and this is height, means perpendicular, that is 4 centimeter. Now we will write base, and we are saying base B, that is 12 centimeter, and here is height, that is 4 centimeter. Now area of triangle equals to half into base into height. You need to remember this formula. अगर आप ये फॉर्मूला याद करोगे, फिर आपको फॉर्मूला उसमें फिल करके वैल्यूज यू कैन फाइंड द आंसर्स. So here we can cut this 2 with 12, or we can cut with 4 also, and we know that 6 4s are 24. Now in area, centimeter into centimeter, that is centimeter square. So this is the area of triangle. Similarly, you can find with any number. Now our third sum, the area of triangle is 84 centimeter square given. We need to find the altitude corresponding to the side. Corresponding means according to this side. Measuring 14 centimeter means one side of triangle that is given to you is 14. According to this side, we need to find this altitude. This one we need to find, and area is given. Now firstly we will write side means base, that is given 14 centimeter. Side or base, that is given, and we need to find height or altitude, that is not given. Now, area of triangle. We already studied that is half into base into height. That is equals to 84 centimeter square. Now we have the base. Base is 14. Height we need to find, that is not given. We can cut this with this 14 with 2. Here left 7. 7 into height equals to 84 centimeter square, that is left. So with this side 7 is multiplied and on other side it will be divided. So our answer is 1 2 means 12 centimeter. So height of this triangle is 12 centimeter, means altitude. Height and altitude, there is no difference between that height and altitude. These are the similar things. Now we can use the different names. In the next sum, the adjacent sides. What is the meaning of adjacent? You all know that. We are already discussed many times. Adjacent means this, like PS and PQ. These two sides, or PQ and QR. These two sides, or QR and RS. These two sides means which have the common vertex. That sides are called adjacent sides of a parallelogram. PQRS are 12 centimeter and 6 centimeter as shown in the given figure. The height corresponding to the side QR. Now height according to QR, that is given. In the diagram you can see that it is given 8 centimeter here, and we need to find the following, which is given A part and B part. What is in A part? Area of parallelogram. This is simple, very simple sum. We can find like our first sum. A part, area of parallelogram. We need to write the short form of parallelogram. This is we are usually writing. We have discussed already. Base into height. This is the area of parallelogram. Base into height. Now in this diagram, according to 6 centimeter, that is base, and height is 8. It means 6 8s are 48 centimeter square. That is the area of parallelogram. Now what they have asked in the second part, B part, altitude corresponding to the base PQ. Now if we see that the parallelogram is same, now they have changed the base. The base is PQ, that is 12 centimeter, and we need to find the height. But the parallelogram is same. So we know that the area will be same. If one parallelogram is given, it means in any condition the area will remain same. Area means distance that the of whole part covered by this diagram. Now we can see in previous slide that area we find a 48, and we need to find the height according to 12, and then we will do the B part. Here is we need to find the height according to base 12, and area we have found 48 centimeter. That same formula we have used. Base into height equals to 48 centimeter. Now the area is given and we need to find height. Height means altitude. We need to find 48 centimeter. Now we will divide this way because here it is with multiplication, and in this side we will divide it. So height is 4 centimeter. 12 4 is 48. So this sum is completed. And next, fifth sum. In the fifth sum, what is given? The adjacent sides. Again adjacent sides are given, and we are clear with that. What are the adjacent sides of a parallelogram are in the ratio. Now ratio is given 5:3, and longer side is also given. So firstly, according to ratio, we let the sides. We know that thing clearly. If we have given the ratio, we are letting it with x, like 5x 3x we are taking it, and longer. Now which one is longer? If we are multiplying a number with 5 or we are multiplying with 3. Obviously, if we are multiplying the same number by 5, that is longer side. Longer side also given, it means 5x equals to 7.5, that is given. So from here we can find the this one x is 1.5. We have found that x is 1.5, so with this x we can find the smaller side, 3 into 1.5. Now we know that 15 3s are 45. Now point with 4.5. Now we have the two sides, one is 7.5, this is already given, and we found the other, that is 4.5. Now we need to find the perimeter of parallelogram. It means perimeter means we have to need to find this. We need to find the sum of all sides, and like the rectangle, sum of all sides, because opposite sides are equal in the parallelogram. So we have find that our longer side is 7.5 centimeter, and the smallest side we have find that is 4.5 centimeter. Now we know that this is like we have the per perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 into length plus breadth. Same formula we are going to use in this parallelogram. So we have to do this 2 into 7.5 centimeter plus 4.5 centimeter, and this is 2 into 12 centimeter. Answer is 24 centimeter. So this is the answer of that perimeter of parallelogram. So our next sum, sixth sum, that is given in the diagram. What is given in the diagram? In the triangle ABC, the triangle name is given ABC. AB equals to 12 centimeter given. AB here given, and then BC equals to 9 centimeter given, and AD equals to 6 centimeter. We need to find firstly in A part area of triangle ABC. Now we need to find same that formula, base into height. What is base? According to this, base is 9 and height is given 6 centimeter. So we will put in this, base is 9 and height is 6, that is we can cut 9 3s are 27 centimeter square. Now we have found the area of triangle ABC. What we need to find in the second part? Altitude CE. Now altitude CE is the height according to the base AB. Now triangle will be same, it means area will be same. So in B part we need to find the altitude. We will use the formula same, but with the base 12 and height CE, and answer of that will be same, 27 centimeter square. So we will cut here and 6 and CE we can find by the division of 6. If you are dividing with 6, that is 6 4s are 24 and 30, lift 6 5s are 30 point लगेगा because we are putting 0 here and here is 30. So answer of this CE is 4.5 centimeter. So this is the altitude CE we have found in this figure because area will be same. I hope you all are understanding. And now seventh sum. The area of a triangle is equals to given equals to the area of a square whose side measures 10 meter. What is given? Square with side 10 meter. And what is given? Find the length of the side of a triangle corresponding to the altitude. Now in this sum, firstly we need to find the area of square. area of square, you need to do the comment in my comment box. You will tell me that is 10 tens a 100 meter square. This is the area of square. Now what is given? Area of triangle is equals to the area of square. So area of triangle we are going to use here 100. And formula half into base into height. Now what is altitude given? We need to find the side. It means we need to find the base. We will put it B as it is. And altitude height means 5 equals to 100. We will cut it by getting it on the other side. 5 is cut with 100. 5 will be cut. That is 40 meters. So height or altitude, which is same, that is 40 meters. Now our next sum, what is given? A field is in the form of a parallelogram. Now I hope all are understand up to now that what is the shape of parallelogram. What is given? Area is given. Area of parallelogram, that is given 432 meters. Find the length of its diagonal on which the perpendicular drawn to vertices on either side. So we need to complete this figure that is given like this. Either side of it, this is given. Both are 12 meter and 12 meter. Here are given two perpendiculars. We need to find this one diagonal, which is base for these two triangles. It means area of parallelogram we can write 2 times area of two triangles, means 2 times base into height equals to 432 meters square. Because we are writing this by 2 because height is same. If this height will be different, then we need to write like area of first triangle plus area of second triangle. Now here the height is same, so we are writing like this. And now base we need to find, so we will write base and height is 12 equals to 432. We can cut this 2 with this 2 and the base, this will go on either side and it will divide. So base equals to, we can divide or we can do cutting like this. You can directly divide or you can do with cutting. Now both ways are the correct. Now we can cut it on 2 again, 108 will come, and then with 3 is a 9, 3. Answer is 36 meter. If we are directly doing division, we will also get the same answer. So our ninth sum, now in this what is given, PQRS is a rectangle with dimensions. Dimensions means length and breadth 28 meter by 20. POQ is a triangle such that O is the point of intersection of the diagonals. Now point of intersection of diagonal means this OL, which is given in hint also. OL is half of RQ, means it is at the middle. So we need to find the shader region. This is the shader region. So firstly we will find area of rectangle. Now area of rectangle, what is the name of rectangle? PQRS, that is length into breadth. This we need to find. Dimension means one is length, one is breadth. 28 meter into 20 meter, that is 560 meter square. 22 is a 56. I think all knows this thing. Otherwise you can do with multiplication. Now we need to find area of triangle also, half into base into height. Now height OL is given that it is half of RO. Half of RO is 20 divided by 2, that is 10. Now half into base is given 28, height is given 10. So we will multiply this with 14. We can cut 140 meter square. Now we have the area of rectangle, we have the area of triangle. We need to find the area of shaded region. It means we need to subtract it. Area of shaded region we need to find. How we will find? One is our rectangle's area is 560 meter square, and our triangle's area is 140 meter square. We can subtract it. 140 will be subtracted from this, and answer is 420 meter square. So this is the area of shaded region. This way we will find this area of shaded region if any this type of statement will be given to you. Now our 10th sum is here. Calculate the missing measurement in the following table. We will find it like first sum firstly, then second, then third. Okay. So first solution I am going to do firstly. What is given? Here is base is missing. Height and area is given, and we know that area of triangle is half into base into height. That is given 306 centimeter square. And height is also given. We will put height also 306 centimeter square. If we are putting like this, we can cut it with 9. Base is given 306 divided by 9. For cutting, simply you can do with anything. That is 34 centimeter. Now we have found the base. Similarly, we can find in this the base by dividing. Same, instead of that area of triangle, we can find the area of the parallelogram. We can use base into height, and then we will find the base by dividing height by the area. So I think B part you can simply do. In the C part, parallelogram, what is given, we will write on the next slide. In the C part, what is given? One is base given, that is 250 meter, and area is given 2 hectare. Now this is given in hectare, and we have to convert in meter because height base is given in meter, and here is hint is also given. 1 hectare equals to 10,000 meter square. So 2 hectare 20,000, because 10,000 meter square 1 hectare, then obviously 2 hectare to 20,000 meter square. So area of parallelogram is base into height, that is 20,000 meter square, and base is given 250. Height we need to find. So height equals to 20,000 divided by 250, and you will get the answer, that is 80 meter. I hope you all understand the area of parallelogram and area of triangle properly, and you can find the similar sums in your from your any statement. You can find their values, and you can find the missing values also. And with this we will meet in we will do this after our vacations. And so thank you, have a nice day.